Meanwhile, the United Democracy and Duterte supporters, or United DDS, initiated and organized a massive gathering of overseas Filipino workers near Macau. Here's Kit Wong for the report.
The United Democracy and Duterte supporters, or United DDS, initiated and organized a massive gathering of overseas Filipino workers near Macau Labuan Lake to show their support to President Rodrigo Roa Duterte in defending Philippine democracy against the forces of narco-politics. Overseas Filipino workers here in Macau expressed their all-out support with Philippine President Rodrigo Roa Duterte's policies, including war on drugs and poverty. According to Myla Lan Iron, President of Leadership and Social Entrepreneur, their members and overseas Filipino workers were informed through social media to come out and participate in the said event, hoping that their voices will be heard. Lan Iron further stressed that she don't believe with all those allegations against Duterte, but instead she will remain as a supporter of the president.
Ang tinitingnan ko po is ano po yung ginawa ni Duterte past 7 months or 8 months na. Yun po, doon po tayo. Kung ano po yung ginawa, hindi po yung ano yung pagkakamali. Ang ginawa po niya para sa ating bayan.
Meanwhile, Jason Tabios, a florist and president of the Orient Permian tribe, mentioned that they will wait others to come since they are still in their work. Tabios said they are ready to fight on the alleged destabilization plot against the president.
So, nandito po kami ngayon pangpakita yung suporta namin sa mahal naming Pangulo, mahal nating Pangulo na si President Rodrigo Duterte, na ngayon nahaharap sa isang pagbabanta ng destabilisasyon mula sa ibang partido. Ngayon, bilang isang OFW, pinaririnig namin lahat ang aming mga boses, ang buong suporta para ipaalam sa Pilipinas na hindi basta-basta matatanggal ng kahit sino ang aming Pangulo.
This massive gathering of overseas Filipino workers here in Macau was one of the numerous sites identified worldwide, simultaneous with the major rally recently held in Quirino Grandstand in the Philippines. From Macau, reporting for Eagle News, I am Kit Wong and I am 1 with 25.